Hello my dear students. Today we are going to discuss Standard 9, Chapter 6, Mathematics, which is about triangles. So very fast exercise is exercise 7.1, which basically deals with the congruence of triangles. So coming to question number 1, the figure is A, B, C, D. 4 vertices are given. So the given is ABCD is a quadrilateral where AC is equals to AD and angle CAB is equals to angle BAD. These two angles are equal and these two sides are also same with each other. What we need to prove is triangle ABC, that means this triangle must be congruent with the triangle ABD. The upper triangle is congruent with the lower triangle. So under proof we will start with in triangles ABC and triangle ABD, see here CA side is equal with AD side. CA is equals to AD. Again this angle is equals to this angle. It is already given to us. So CAB is equals to BAD as it is given to us. Coming to next, this AB side is common in both the two triangles. So AB is equals to common. Now see, this is side angle side criteria. Side angle side. So this implies triangle. So this implies triangle ABC congruent with triangle ABD according to side angle side criteria. Hence it is proved. Coming to next question, question number 2, it is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral where AD side is equals to BC side and angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. We need to prove 3 bits here. Very first bit is triangle ABD. See here ABD, this portion is congruent with triangle BAC. BAC means this portion. These two triangles are congruent. Now see here, these two angles are equal given to us. AB side is common. Again AD is equals to BC, it is also given. So side angle side. So we can write in triangle ABD and triangle BAC, we have AD is equals to BC, it is given. Again DAB angle is equals to CBA angle, it is also given. Again AB is common. Hence triangle ABD is congruent with triangle BAC according to side angle side criteria. Hence it is proved. Coming to second bit, it is asking to prove BD is equals to AC. Now see, BD is here and AC is this one. So as we know that triangle ABC is congruent with triangle BAC in bit 1. This implies the corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal also. Hence AD is equals to BD is equals to AC according to CPCT. Hence it is also proved. Coming to bit 3, it is asking angle ABD. See here, I have put dot mark here. ABD, this small angle is equals to this small angle having value BAC. We need to prove these two angles are equal. Now see, this triangle is congruent with this triangle. That means all the remaining angles and side are also equal according to CPCT. So this small angle of this triangle must be equal with this small angle of this triangle. So again, according to CPCT, we can write these two triangles are equal. So as we know that triangle ABC is congruent with triangle BAC, hence this implies angle ABD is equals to angle BAC according to CPCT again. Hence it is also proved. Next, question number 3 is given that in this figure BC is equals to AD. These two angles are 90 degree. We need to prove CD bisects AB at point O. That means BO is equals to AO. So coming to proof, we can write here, see, this angle is equals to this angle is equals to 90 degree given to us. This side is equals to this side. Again see here, this line AB intersecting line segment CD. Hence these two are this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles. So see here, side angle side criteria is coming. So we can write in triangle CBO and triangle DAO, we have angle B is equals to angle A is equals to 90 degree. It is given to us. Again BOC angle is equals to AOD angle, vertically opposite angles, and BC is equals to AD, it is given to us. Now see here, angle side. So triangle CBO is congruent with triangle DAO with the criteria of angle side. This implies BO is equals to AO according to CPCT. Hence it is proved. Question number 4. See, line L is parallel with M, line P parallel with Q. This PQ is intersecting L and M. We need to prove triangle ABC is congruent with triangle CDA. These two triangles are congruent. Now mark one thing, when we are joining A to C, L is parallel to M and AC is acting as a transversal. So alternate interior angles will equal with each other. Now this angle must be equal with this angle. Again, this angle must be equal with this angle, and AC is common to both. So we can use the property or criteria of angle side angle criteria. Hence this angle will be congruent with this angle. So we will write in triangle ABC and triangle CDA, we have angle BAC is equals to angle DCA, alternate interior angles. Again AC is common. Again BC is in alternate interior angles. Hence triangle ABC is congruent with triangle ABC is congruent with triangle CDA according to side angle side criteria. We will continue from question number 5 in our second part of video. Thank you for watching.